Having too many laddus during this wedding season left over? Try this genius fix. Happy cooking to you. Using your normal chapati dough, fill your dry but still golden and yummy laddus inside and make hot puran bolis during this wedding season. This is a genius fix for you to finish off all those leftover tasty laddus. Just as we did for the aloo paratha, press it down after filling it so that the filling doesn't come out of the paratha, or in this case the puran boli. Now cook it on both sides on a hot tawa. Use butter or ghee. Feel the magic of melting ghee and the filling. Serve it hot with some coffee or tea in the evening and enjoy.